Today I'm gonna unbox FlexTees. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You may be looking at premium tees. I've got some FlexTees here. I've used brush tees in the past. They're all kind of interesting because the tee really hasn't been improved upon for a very, very long time. Now, things like the brush tee here, which just have little bristles which hold the ball up, are supposed to help you actually hit better. One, you get consistent tee height, but then secondly, these types of tees can move, which may mean you lose less energy on your drive. So what's interesting here is that this FlexTee set has 3 tee heights, 1, 2, and 3, tall, medium, and short. So overall length here is a 3-inch tee. Overall length here is a 2.5 inch, and then a 2 1/4. So this is supposed to be used for drivers. This is supposed to be used for fairway woods, and then this is supposed to be used for irons, you know, if you're teeing up at a par 3. So I just thought I would show these to you because, unfortunately, I'm just not good enough as a golfer to tell you that I can tell that there is going to be a difference here. But what's interesting about this is it's actually very light. Plastic or some sort of polymer. Seems like a very strong polymer, but it's flexible. Even the little white piece here is pretty flexible, so it does move. And then this piece here, I don't know, it feels like a really rigid silicone or rubber, and you can see it has little grips on the side so I can grab it, push it into the ground, which is going to be nice. It's actually an advantage over the brush tees. You almost have to hold it by the side or use the little cap to push it in because the bristles will just bend. So this will give you a little bit more ability to kind of push that sucker in. You might be able to see that the top here is kind of like a standard tee. It's got a nice little bowl up there, so that should hold the ball in there just fine. And I think the nice thing about this is that it'll flex a little bit so you don't have to worry about it breaking. To be really honest, assuming you don't smash this out of the tee box into the water or something, a single tee like this is probably going to last a whole round. And so you don't have to worry about carrying tons and tons of tees in your pocket. So something like this might last you a whole season. Now, the other thing that I really like about this is if you go to the driving range and you are teeing up off of grass, then you can go through a lot of tees there and you can kind of waste them. Something like this might save you a lot of money. The other thing that I really like about these is that you can also get a really consistent tee height. So I think actually a lot of people have a problem putting the tee in at the same height every time, and that's why sometimes they hit a little high on the driver, sometimes they hit a little low on the driver face. That can absolutely change your shot shape, and something like this will give you a consistent tee height to take out some of those variables to make you a better golfer. So to be really honest, between saving you some money in the long run, making sure that you are carrying fewer tees, less gear on the golf course, and also giving you consistent tee heights, I think this could really actually help your game. So if you want to pick up these FlexTees, I think they're pretty promising, and I'm looking forward to using them myself. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
Past, they're all